Honorable Principal and the Chief Guest. My name is Mrudul Salunkhe. I study in class 8th. My school's name is City International School, Angul. Today I would like to give a speech on the conservation of nature. We all live in nature. Nature has given us numerous gifts in the form of water, food, shelter, oxygen, air, sunlight and many other facilities. Without nature, we cannot live. It is very important to save the nature. As we celebrate our birthday in hotels or restaurants, instead of that we should plant 10 trees on the occasion of our birthday. All gifts of the nature make our earth a place worth living. Unfortunately, the necessity of important resources of nature has been increased over the centuries due to the growth in the human population. We should conserve the nature. To conserve the nature, we should not cut the trees, as the trees give us oxygen, food and many other facilities. It also stabilizes the soil, gives life to the world's wildlife, and it is responsible for the rainfall also. Also from the trees, the paper is made. We should reduce the use of the paper so that in future the thousands of the trees won't be cut by the humans. Plastic, it is a synthetic material which is non-biodegradable in nature, which cannot be decomposed by natural processes easily. It is not environment friendly. Plastic should not be thrown in drainage or on the road. If it is thrown on the road, the animals like cows, buffaloes and bulls, they recognize the plastic as their food and they eat the plastic. What the plastic does, it chokes the respiratory system of that particular animal and hence the animal dies. The plastic should not be thrown in the drainage also, because most of the time the plastic is responsible for the clogging of the drainage. We should not burn plastic, because from the plastic the harmful gases like hydrochloric acid, furans, dioxins, carbon monoxides, like these gases are released. Avoid the use of the plastic. Use cotton bag or jute bag instead of that. Water is the most important natural resource, which is approximately 97% of the water is not fit for the human consumption. Only about 2.7% of the water is fit for the human consumption. But about that 2.7% of the water is from ice and glacier, which is not accessible for human use. So only about 0.006% of the water is fit for the human consumption. Don't waste water, and in every society rainwater harvesting should be there. We should minimize, or for our need, that much water we should use. Save water, save life. Electricity is the most important natural resource obtained from the coal and water. We cannot imagine our life without electricity. We must switch off the lights, fans and any other electric appliance when not in use. Now there is a poem on the nature. Butterflies fluttering around, canoes moving slowly. Across the subtle waves, children laughing and gawking, bugs flying, ducks fighting, families grilling, couples holding the hands. This is relaxation, this is nature. We should all come together and save the nature, because nature is everything to us. I conclude with the beautiful message for the next generation to conserve and save the nature. And I am thankful to my teacher that they gave opportunity to express my views on the topic of the conservation of nature. Thank you.